If you drive a Tesla or any EV in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, this video could save you thousands. Welcome back to EV Rescue Hub. I'm Ryan Volt, and today I'm revealing Tesla Model 3 battery replacement secrets that most owners don't know. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an EV emergency tip. Even Tesla Model 3 batteries degrade over time. Reduced range, slow charging, and warning messages are signs your battery might need replacement. Most owners panic and pay thousands unnecessarily. Today, I'll show you safe, cost-effective secrets to replace your battery. Remember to hit subscribe so you get all Tier 1 Electron Volt Rescue tips. Step 1. Always start with onboard diagnostics or the Tesla app. Step 2. High voltage battery is dangerous. Use proper safety gear every time. Step 3. Service center replacement is reliable but expensive. Certified third-party replacements can save up to 30 to 40%. Step 4. Tesla battery replacement takes 4 to 6 hours. Costs Tesla $15,000. Third-party $9 to $12,000. Step 5. Avoid deep discharges, extreme temperatures, and flooding. If you're finding these tips useful, hit that subscribe button now. Keep a portable charger for emergencies. Preheat your Tesla in cold weather before driving. Protect charging ports in flood-prone areas. Monitor battery health with apps to avoid surprise replacements. Tesla Model 3 battery replacement doesn't have to be stressful or expensive if you follow these secrets. For more Tesla, BYD, Rivian, and Lucid battery and EV rescue tips, hit subscribe button. Check our EV rescue playlist, where you can visit now on evrescuehub.com for more details. And never get caught in an EV emergency unprepared. Thanks for watching full video. We will soon meet in next video.